Scalenut is a content creation software platform. It uses AI to help you with search engine optimization or SEO. In this video, I will tell you about Scalenut's affiliate program and how much you can earn if you become an affiliate. Now, I've included the link to Scalenut in the description of this video in case you want to check it out. And make sure to stick around to the end of the video because I'm going to show you how much money I've made as an affiliate for Scalenut from just a few short videos on this channel. And if you're serious about affiliate marketing and you want to turn this into a real business that could help you quit your job, then I'll tell you about the best way to learn affiliate marketing as a complete beginner at the end of the video. So if we look at Scalenut's affiliate program website here, you can see that they offer between 30 to 50% recurring commission for life. So what this means is that you will get a unique referral link that you can share, and if anyone uses your link, they also get a 10% discount on their first month. And so if they buy the paid subscription plan, as long as they stay subscribed every single month, you're going to be earning your commission, which is 30% to get started. Now, this actually goes up all the way to 50%. I'm not exactly sure how to get 50%. I think you would have to negotiate with them directly, but you can see here that you can get 40% just by referring 50 people. They will automatically consider upgrading your account to the premium tier where you'll make 40% commission instead of 30. So you can actually make a lot of money from Scalenut's affiliate program. So here's my dashboard for Scalenut, which is a content creation platform that uses AI to help people with their SEO so that you can get found in search results. As you can see, with just 11 clicks on my affiliate link, I got one person to sign up to Scalenut, and this one sign up has already made me almost $90 in commissions. Now this says unpaid earnings because they had a minimum threshold of $50, which it didn't meet last month. So in this payment cycle, this money will actually get released to me. Now 89 bucks might now sound like a lot of money until you look at the videos on my channel that actually led to this result. These are some of the videos that I posted on my channel: Show Me Software, Scalenut versus Jasper, only 15 views, 24 views, 10 views, 2 views, right? 3 views, 7 views. So I have like about 10 or so videos about Scalenut posted, and mostly they're very short videos, like 2-minute videos, and they have very few views, and that has already made me almost $90 in commissions. Now the person who signed up, as long as they stay subscribed to Scalenut's subscription plan, every single month I'm going to earn about $45. So this number is going to continue to go up most likely. Now imagine scaling this strategy up and having dozens or even hundreds of super short videos on your channel, each with an affiliate link. You can stack your monthly commissions and start making life-changing income way faster than most people realize. Now the problem is that most people don't understand the strategies to actually have a successful affiliate marketing business, because you can't just spam random content and throw your affiliate link around everywhere if you want to make serious money. I would recommend trying out Wealthy Affiliate, which is one of the oldest and most trusted affiliate marketing education platforms in the world. So as you can see on their website, they've been around for almost 20 years with over 2.6 million people who signed up for their training. And the best part is that you can actually get started completely for free with no credit card required. So if I log into my dashboard here on Wealthy Affiliate, you can see that they have lots of classes. You can learn about YouTube and copywriting and affiliate marketing through social media and email marketing. So you really learn how to make money with affiliate marketing on Wealthy Affiliate, and it's an absolutely amazing platform. So you can use the link in the description to get started with Wealthy Affiliate completely for free. And if you want to try out Scalenut, then I also included the link in the description for that. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns in the comment section, and I'll get back to you ASAP. Thanks for watching.